Select the graph for the system of inequalities. They give you two inequalities and they ask you to select the corresponding graph. So let's go and start graphing the first one. And we have y is greater or equal to negative 2x plus 3. And it's already ready to be graphed. We have what we call it on standard form. This is your slope and the y-intercept. So therefore my y-intercept is 3. And it crosses the y-axis at 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's this point here. So notice that it should be this line. My slope is negative 2 over 1. So I'm going to go down 2 and over 1. Down 2 and over 1. Down 2 and over 1. So we're talking about this line here. And for the shading, notice that it has to be solid. And it is. It's greater than. So therefore we're going to be shading the top. So if it's greater, we have to shade the greater part, which is the top section. And notice that that one did not get shaded at all. So I know A is not an answer. Let's continue to letter B. Y-intercept is 3. My slope is down 2 and over 1, down 2 and over 1, down 2 and over 1. And we are shading the top once again. And if you notice, nothing got shaded. So B is not an answer. Let's try letter C. Y-intercept is 3. 1, 2, 3. My slope is down 2 and over 1, down 2 and over 1. And I need to shade the top section. And that one did get shaded. So let's continue with the second one. I need to leave the y by itself. So I'm going to move my x to the right hand side. It's a negative, becomes a positive. Then I need to divide by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. The 3's cancel. So I have y is less than or equal to 1 over 3 x plus 4. The y-intercept is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's fine. And my slope is up 1 and to the right 3. Up 1 and to the right 3. So that one's fine. It's less than or equal to. So therefore I need to shade the lower side. I'll place down arrow. And notice that that one did get shaded. So therefore my answer is letter C. If you notice on this one, the low side did not get shaded. So it's not D. In this case, my answer is D.